That's fine. That's good. It's good enough. See, that's the thing. I don't want to get caught up in the. I gotta make it perfect so the TikTok commenters can accept me. Fuck the TikTok commenters. Fuck y'all. I'm making music because it sounds good to me. And hey, a lot of people say quality over quantity. Fuck no. I'm new right now, so quantity over quality. It's okay for me to not sound really good. That's fine. That's fine. Cause I'm in it for the long run. I'm not trying to blow up and be. No, this is. I'm not mentioning names. I'm not trying to blow up and be a hot artist in 1 year and just stop being. Nah, hell no. Fuck no. I'm learning my craft. I'm not trying to be accepted by TikTok stupid commenters that don't even have their profile picture, their name in their picture, hide behind a picture, talk trash. I got more balls than all the negative comments in my TikTok comments. My balls are bigger than y'all's.